People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about the JUTC, Jamaica Urban Transit Company. So it's been reported that JUTC managers fail to meet minimum qualification. That's funny. So these people, these managers have position that they not qualify for. That's basically what the article is saying. These JUTC managers have positions which should be occupied by people who have them degree and them diploma and are qualified for such position. And you always wonder why some people who leave university and colleges can't get a job, because see there, it's been taken up by people who are not even qualified. So may I run through a list of people who have position and the type of qualification them have. The managing director, he has a high school diploma, owner and manager of a private auto service center, and he previously served as MD in 2009 to 2012. That's a managing director. The deputy managing director, engineering and technical service, he has acceptance to the University of Technology for diploma in engineering, no evidence of completion. So them don't know if him finish the schooling that he started. He also have owner of a motor vehicle transportation and service business. Worked at JUTC in various management positions, last of which was VP 2009 to 2012, which he was terminated from. So him get fired from the position, that position he had in 2009 to 2012, but yet he's a deputy managing director. Makes no sense. Then you have the deputy managing director, human resource and administration. On his record, them have certificate introduction to personnel management, IPM 2001, certificate leadership motivation and organizational change, several professional development certificates, employed since 2002 as a recruitment officer. At least him have little things where, you know, him maybe he's not suitable for the job, but he's been in the system for a long time. Then you have the general manager for the Halfway Tree Transport Center. Basically, them have nothing pan file for him. His record, them say none seen. Them can't find out. So we don't even know what him have. Him probably don't have nothing. Him just probably know somebody and them just say, all right, you know what, see a job here. The fuel control officer, him have business processing outsourcing certificate 15th of December 2017, youth leadership development 2017, and public speaking. I don't know if that qualifies you to be a fuel control officer, but that's his record. The security manager, 6 standard retired assistant senior police officer. That's the security manager. Which me don't really know if you need that much requirements to be, you know, the security manager. You still have to have your records, but I guess them say whatever and just throw him in there. But people, as you can see, these are people who are in the system who don't have the qualification that fits the position, but yet they are in there. And that's how Jamaica is. Like, as long as you know somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody, you are going to get into the system, which is sad. Because as I said before, you have people who are leave university, who have college, who work at call center, can't get a job just because them have people in position that does not suit the position and don't belong in that position. Rough people, but that's how Jamaica is. And we need to do better. We need to give the people them who have the certificates, them need to be in that position, and we can't I just kick them and I put them to the back burner just because. Give the people them who is worthy of the position. Give it to them. Don't just put anybody and anybody in it. That's why it will never work and it will never better nobody. Now better Jamaica, now better them. Because them are just sitting with them don't know about. People, they need to get it together. Alright? People, remember to subscribe to my channel. Like, comment and share. I don't know, we're going to have more videos coming out. Big up in yourself.